Hello everyone, welcome to this new series, Application and Interpretation Past Year Problem. So in this series, we are at the very first question of paper 1 and let's get started. This is basically from the statistics and let's get into it. First problem, it's 5 mark and Sergio is interested in whether an adult's favorite breakfast berry depends on their income level or not. So this is the test we are going to perform. And the data table is given to us. Income level, low, medium, high, and favorite berry, strawberry, blueberry, and other. And data have been given to us. And the subdivision questions are so simple, like whatever we do for the test. Write down the null hypothesis, then find the value of chi-square statistic, and then if the chi-square critical value is 7.78, what will be the Sergio's conclusion to this test? That's simple. And with the help of technology, it's very easy to solve. Let's get into this. And here we go. Right. So first writing the null hypothesis. So read the problem twice to be sure with that. Right. So these can be, these are the data given. So what is given? His interest is to find whether favorite breakfast berry, it depends on their income level or not. So my null hypothesis should have, should be made in such a way, always, there is no effect of one variable on the other. For example, the favorite berry does not affect the income level, or the income level does not affect the favorite berry. So this is the way we have to assume it. So like independent, and the better way to say is. So let me write the null hypothesis. So H naught. The favorite breakfast berry does not depend on the income level. You can write, or is independent of their income level. That will be better. Is independent of their income level. Okay, now we are going to perform the test and we are going to accept it or reject it. We're going to, then we will say the conclusion. So this is the hypothesis. One does not affect the other. And find the chi-square statistic. Okay, so this is very simple using technology. So we are going to use the GDC here and let's go. How to solve this? First of all, we can make this data into a matrix form, right? And after getting a matrix, it's so simple. We can apply the direct from the menu. We can go with chi-square. And let me share my screen with the calculator. Here we go. Right. And take a calculating scratch pad. And you go for the matrix first. First, let's define a matrix. And it's a 3 cross 3 matrix, right? Low, income, high, and 3 kind of berries. So 3 cross 3 matrix. We have to give the entries like number of rows is 3, columns is 3, click OK, and give the inputs. Let's go. So it is 21, 39, 30 horizontally. 39 and 30. The next row. 39, 67, and 42. And the next row, the last row is 32, 45, and 26. Okay, so now we have to store it. Click the control and then STO, right? So you click that, you will get an arrow mark and you can give any alphabet here. So now it is stored. Okay. Now next in the menu, actions, number, algebra, go for statistics. We are going to test it, right? So stat test. And chi-square test is what we're going to do. So chi-square two-way test. income level and berries. That's it. Observed matrix is what we have given. It will be listed here. So A is my matrix and click OK. That's it. So the results is here and we can just copy this and use it wherever is applicable. Fine. That simple it is. And moving to the solution page now. Here we go. Chi-square statistics is done. And this is the result we have. So what is the value of the chi-square statistics? It's 2.26821, approximating to 3 significant figures, right? So chi-square statistic is 2.27. That's simple. We have calculated it. And the next part. In next part, they have given the critical value of the chi-square test. It's 7.78. And write down Sergio's conclusion to this test. So let's recall a quick topic here. What is the critical value means? So the critical value of any test, the chi-square test, is the value in a critical region that has the largest p-value associated with that, right? So now we are going to accept it or reject it. It's based on chi-square. Also, one more thing, the significance level is also given. In this particular question, they have given that we are going to carry out the chi-square test for independence at the 10% significance level. So we can do in both the ways. Let me show. Let's compare the chi-square test, chi-square values. So this is how it will be. If chi-square critic and chi-square statistics is lesser or greater, comparing that, we have to say. So this is the rule we have. Reject the hypothesis if chi-square, the calculated value, right? Whatever we calculate is greater than or equal to chi-square critic value. Got it? So we will reject. And let's compare it. What is the calculated? It's 2.27. And if it is greater than or equal to 7.78, I will reject. But actually it is less than, right? So it is accepted. But what is the 10% significance level? If you forget it, using the 10% significance level, 10% is 0.1, right? And using the p-value, significance level is p with alpha, we have to compare. Alpha means the significance level. So p-value is the 0.687, it can be. And let's compare with alpha. So alpha is nothing but significance level. So another way, this is also we can conclude. So this means accept H naught. Hypothesis accepted. Or you can do with the significance level. If P is yeah. So P is greater than the significance level, then we can accept it. Right? And what is P? 0.687. And what is alpha? Significance level in percent they have given, provided 10%, and it is actually 0.1. Yes. So this also says the same, accept H naught. What is our hypothesis? The favorite berry is independent of the income level. So we are accepting it. How our conclusion should be? So Sergio's conclusion to this concept and all the justification we have given here, right? So favorite berry is independent of, this is the conclusion, income level. Favorite berry is independent of income level. This okay, with this we come to the conclusion, and it's a simple 5 mark. That's it for this video, and we can meet in next video. Until then, keep learning.